Hi guys, how you doing? I wanted to give you an overview of the workshop and where it sits in a minute before I start doing any videos on what's going on inside. So that was the standard entrance when we bought the place. It's currently about 1,800 square foot. That'll be the dyno entrance, and we'll put a roller shutter in as we have just there. So there'll be another roller shutter going in this side. You can see the first layer of the dyno wall going down. But basically this is 4 meters, actually I think it's 3.8 meters wide. And this will be 3.8 meters by 14 meters in total. And this will be the actual dyno room itself. Obviously there's the dyno. So moving up the back, we've got the 2 pillar drills, and up the back there we have got an old Elliott lathe. Then we just got a load of shelving. This is the bandsaw, really nice bandsaw. Got this on a complete steel. Moving across the other side, this is the plasma machine that you've probably seen in some of the other videos. Then we've got the JD squared bender for the roll cages. All the compressor and dryer and tanks for the plasma machine. And then up the back here, we've got the 2 ASNU injector cleaning machines. It's got the Series 1 Lotus and the PS13. The Cosworth is just a sponsor sticker. The Rumbler, which is currently up for sale, although I might actually keep it, we'll see. And then moving across, we've got the Geo system and the Geo ramp and the corner weight system over there as well in the box. Geo ramp all flat within 1 mil, and then that's the new roller shutter that's gone in. I ideally want to get a 2-post ramp and then stick my 2 cars stacked. And if they don't go in the shipping container, they're going to go stacked in here hopefully. And then we can sort some space out because it's very cluttered in here at the minute, as you can obviously see. And I have got a mobile office because I wasn't sure where the office was going to go. That's the mobile office there. Little toilet block. It looks like, but then once you go inside, it's pretty cool. It's my little hunting lodge. That's just to keep the dust off everything. This concrete floor produces lots and lots and lots of dust. So hopefully once we get this room finished, or partially finished, maybe just resined, wall built and roller shutter in, before any insulation and stuff, I'll probably end up resin the floor as much as I can outside, which should be fun. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications. You can also check us out on Facebook. The link's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.